Precision injection mold making process behind the scenes of a Shanghai factory. In the competitive landscape of global manufacturing, precision is the only language that transcends borders. At our Shanghai facility, every high-performance plastic part begins with a masterpiece of engineering, the mold. We don't just build tools, we craft the foundation of your product's success. Our process starts with rigorous material selection. By utilizing world-class mold steel and advanced DFM design. For manufacturing analysis, we identify potential challenges before the first cut is even made. This proactive approach ensures optimal cooling efficiency and long-term tool durability for high-volume production. The heart of our precision lies in our high-speed CNC machining center. Operating at speeds up to 24,000 RPM, our equipment allows us to maintain tolerances as tight as 0.005 毫米. Whether it is a complex automotive interior component or micro-scale medical device housing, our Synchron is multi-axis milling ensures that every curve and every rib matches your 3D data with absolute fidelity. Precision at this stage is critical. It minimizes the need for secondary operations and guarantees the perfect fit of inserts and slices, reducing your overall lead time and ensuring consistent part quality. For geometries that defy traditional milling shop internal corners, deep ribs, and intricate textures, we employ high-precision electrical discharge machining or ADM. Our mirror finish ADM technology allows us to achieve superior surface integrity without inducing mechanical stress on the steel. By utilizing high-quality graphite or copper electrodes, we can reach a surface roughness of raw 0.1, perfect for optical parts or high aesthetic consumer electronics. This level of control over the discharge gap ensures that even the most complex interlocking features function flawlessly, cycle after cycle. While machines provide accuracy, our master technicians provide the final perfection. Hand polishing is an art form at our factory. Our craftsmen spend hours meticulously refining critical surfaces to a mirror-like shine, ensuring effortless part ejection and a flawless finish on your molded parts. The assembly stage is where it all comes together. Every slide, lifter, and ejector pin is hand-fitted and tested for smooth movement. We perform rigorous blue ink spotting tests to ensure 100% sealing at the parting line, preventing flash and ensuring that every shot is as perfect as the first. Based in the industrial heart of Shanghai, we combine local manufacturing efficiency with global quality standards. From initial RFQ to final mold shipment, we are your transparent and reliable partner in China. Precision injection mold making delivered on time every time. Visit our website or contact our engineering team today to start your next project. We are Commoding. We bring your vision to life.